I found out something funny. I don't know what they did when they put this thing together, but I decided to do a little measuring. And if you kind of look at the axle, how far it's sticking out right there, and kind of go over and see where it's sticking out over there, you know, don't mind my measuring tape. So yeah, I think what the hell is it? I got like 8 inches on one side. The bracket there. Yeah, it's like it's almost 9 inches right there. And that's like 7 1/2. So, I think what they did, kind of see, one bracket's on there. And then they got the other one tucked up, going the wrong way there. So, I think what I really got to do is I got to end up dropping the transaxle back down again and take all the brackets out, and the one that's on the right side needs to be moved to the outside of the frame rail, and then the one on the other side needs to be flipped around. I just had it figured out. Well, yeah, it's one of those weird hokey things. I'm sure somebody has ran into this and they could tell me all about it. I wouldn't mind a little information, but yeah, I don't think anybody else is maybe really taking it apart. I wonder if the dealer prepped it and that's what they did. Could be. I don't know. But yeah, so the bracket on the right has to be moved to the outside of the frame, and I think the other one's got to be turned around to face into the frame. Yeah, they both got to face inwards. That's what it is, something like that. So I'll get it figured out either way. But yeah, it's just kind of weird now that I think about it, because yeah, it had to always been like that. Here's, you know, this just has the single mounts on it, whereas the other one's got the dual ones. But yeah, what the hell they were thinking? Somebody put it together all hokey. I don't know. I'll get it straightened out. But it ain't gonna be tonight, so I'm just gonna like take it down off the lift and put it back in the corner. All right. Thank you for watching. Bye.